Namaste to all, and thank you very much to the Green Thinker Society and International Institute of Organized Research, and to all my fellow participants of this 7th International Virtual Conference on Interdisciplinary Research for Sustainable Development. And today I'm going to give you my presentation on the topic of the actions on zero hunger. According to the database, the world population projection is 7.7 presently. That means yearly it has been changing by nearly 1.5%. And as per the world population clock, the current crude birth rate of the world is 18.9 per thousand and death rate is 7.5 per thousand population. Then just imagine how much our population is rapidly growing and how much food we need to survive a family called Earth. And the questions begin here only about how many acres of fertile land we need to do for the agriculture and how much already we have reviewed for the different aspects like for industries, deforestation and infrastructure, etc. Among these all other sides, we should calculate that what kind of food we are consuming nowadays, and is it a chemical one, mixed one or the organic one? If not, then what about our health issues and what about our immunities, and how can human beings all living in an imbalanced and unconditional situations by doing their own prime actions from the base of fundamental living rights. And finally, it will create a huge cycling problem for everyone to solve if it will go in the continuity in the community level or in the global issues. So that's why this become one of the great part of the SDGs work. So it's near many expertise, manageable and successful person, and more to more need of real thinkers, kind personality peoples, volunteers to discuss about this and to take some actions towards that in the community level or the global levels. So this is the one point. And on the other hand, as a youth, we have a ton of capabilities, abilities to do many things and many sort of skills we have with us to reach any giant steps in a life. But without a perfect guider or guidelines, it might be quite difficult to reach a probable destination in which way we would like to go. So that United Nations General Assembly was set up these 17 SDG activities in 2015 with the interlink of whatever human basic related fundamental rights, with having mottos, agendas, perfection actions, plans with subordinate different bodies under this United Nations. And many sub-bodies committees are also working like Food Security Committees, Security Council, the Trusteeship Council, the International Court of Justice and the United Nations Secretariat, Donation for Food, Child Care by UNESCO, and other than these across the universe, an uncountable number of educationists, environmentalist institutions are connecting to do something to make a change on the earth, to make free from all the 17 SDGs issues as well. Then why to delay? Take the oath as a volunteer and promise yourself that as much as possible we can act towards on it, and it will do that our best of knowledge with joining each other hands to make it as a successful mission. So with inviting you all to join hands for the SDGs theme of the actions on zero hunger, I'm going to giving my thoughts which is running under my mind. That one I'm presenting you in front of you. So prior to making of null of poverty and zero of hunger action, institutions, colleges, NGOs, schools along with the teaching staffs should provide a special knowledge to the students instead of making only to them as a GS, class secretaries or the leadership. Instead of that, how to give some little bit of power packed assignments, projects regarding on the SDGs. By that, it will help to them to extract their skills and boost up their minds in the tender age only, and it will really helpful to make their basic skills level and acts toward our needs in academical levels as well. It will good to know that what is happening around us and where is the real problems. So even fundraising boxes, keeping at school premises and helping hand actions as the weekly by taking the weekly activities will make students perform well standardly. In the engage only, it will good to them, and including cultural activities also will tell them, and they will come to know how to interact with the society and what we can do as a responsible person for this nation, and might be few of them may become forward to solve for the society's issues in a well-being manner in the future career. And the second actions is across the nation many cultural and social organizations, corporate companies and societal institutions, rich colonial group builders, business background peoples and so-called parties events they are going to conducting, as well as they will buy the bulk of crackers, lighting and unwanted things, some so expensive things to make their celebration in a very big level. But doing of this all, instead of also we have to do some preparation started level, like to donating the charities and to do some feeding foods to the needy persons. So this will also will uh, translate from one level to another level, which is doing a bet for the society. And especially when we are doing or celebrating our anniversaries event or birthday parties at home level, so better to sponsor something as we can from our children hands to the orphan hands, or call us to the orphanage peoples, and so aged peoples, and celebrate with them. So it will sticky in their hearts, in their means to the children hearts, and indirectly one of our steps will go in the root level for the making of better society in our food issues. By this we can avoid, see, the sound pollutions will go, power wastage also will stop, and water pollution, speechless activities, everything will be stopped, and the great morality and humanity will stand out in front of us or within the us, and it will good for the everyone's, for the better life, peaceful and making happy. By that upcoming generation also will follow these steps as a ritual. And one small step also can create a big historical day in one day on this earth. That one we have to remember very correctly. And the third action is, in the home, parents always will buy expensive gifts to their children, and completely agree it's that wishes only. But along this all, they should be adopt some habits, like keep something better habits, like if you do some good work for the your student or poor one guy or needy people, definitely I will buy you for one doll or cake or chocolates, like this type. Otherwise I will take you some picnic. And as well as parents should carry their children in a social activities, charity functions, cultural activities, and making them participating as environmental issues, global issues. So related to these all activities also will boost them, like how to deal with the problems, as taking challenges under the child leadership. For example, they should have to realize to their children what is the hunger, and how hunger child will cry for the food on the roadside, how it's sleeping, and what type of clothes that child wore. And by food feeding by the children hand to the someone, and sharing babies collection saving boxes to such a child educational charities. In front of these all activities, if we'll do in front of our children's, or in our colonial level, or in the school level or college level, definitely it will reach. If not out of what means, in some percentage level we can do, we will reach in our best aim. And the fourth action is, tag the board in every hotel, restaurant, street food, wherever we are standing here eating something food, like respect your food, do not waste the food. For wasting it will be a definitely penalty for dishwashing, as we have seen at many places, but in a rare points, like a free food for the uh, soldiers and for the old age peoples. Some peoples are there, they are also having great respect, and some peoples only are living in midst of us, especially they are not charging for anything to them. This is the purely personalized and very private level, that is okay, and there's a good one also. In the government level, see, 3 meals for the 15 rupees in Amma canteen in Tamil Nadu, and Indira canteen in Bangalore for 10 to 15 rupees for per meals, and 5 rupees for the snacks. This is the government level. If government also doing the this one in the good system, and personally as a privately, as a responsible people, we are accepting the situations, and we are taking something good actions from our side, means why government also not taking in this same system only, like have to take some charges or double penalty who are wasted the food in the hotel, street, marriage events, or whoever will waste the food, they should be get some penalties, and this is the prohibited act. Like that actions also will help in the future. When it will become as a legally, then only people will act mentally. So I think this should be a really work, and it should be come act in the coming future. This is one. And the fifth and final one action is, it's a very light and simple, but every day when we started to eat our meals or serving the plate, in front of that plate we have to pray in front of God, like, oh God, I am praying to you, please provide this food or whatever you can to every hunger person. So by that you can keep your blessings on every poverty person. So as per myths, praying system also will work from the inbuilt of soul connects to such a true heart peoples, By praying never will lose, and it will be beneficial to needy persons by grasping positive energy through our wishes. So make it habit from today onwards. And my final conclusion on this conference: no one thought will go as a failure. It will be on identify on remarkable actions. If it will not take any actions, hard work with each other, that's all. So, and nothing we can see any changes in the world also. Hence, being a human being, an educated person, being a sophisticated, civilized, keep your best steps on no poverty and try to turn it into zero hunger. It's everything is in our hand only and on our thought only. If simple thought can do a simple changes, means why not we are taking the big level actions in the group level. When we come to know the possibilities, definitely we will make it in the reality by resolving, if not all, at least in a percentile wise we can do. And this assure. And anyways, remember this one thing also: by only taking in the words or thinking levels only, never will do anything or never will changes anything. Only by taking the actions, only are implementing the our action level only can do something good results, and those results only can shows a mirror reflects results. Anyway, thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you very much. Namaste.